Hello, welcome back to the channel. We've got a quarter panel on this car that's been bothering me since I got the car. So about 5 years now that this Bondo has been in this quarter panel, and I am going to get rid of it. I'll show you. Under here I have my replacement quarter panel and some ulterior motive flares that will be going on this car. I've already done a lot to get it to this point. We've removed the corner light, the rear bumper, the trunk, all the glass, the side skirts off. Right now I'm working on getting the crash bar off. I just removed the door switch. So we are getting there to be able to start drilling out spot welds. So here's just a couple of the tools that I'm going to be using. A punch and a hammer to start the drill, a spot weld drill bit, and then the kit came with some extra because these do wear out. Focus. These do wear out. Ooh, focus. Yeah. So right now it is my mission to get this crash bar off so I can start working on getting rid of some more of the seam sealer. What sucks is, as you can see here, we've got some rust. Also, removing taillights off of an S14 is not easy. I've heard it's the same, at least on the sedan version of the R34. This adhesive is nuts. It was a lot easier to do this time because I've removed them before. But yeah, this is not fun to remove. You got to use a lot of heat and be patient, otherwise you're going to destroy your taillight. But I've got my battery relocation, my P2M floor mat, and my custom wood deck that still has holes in it from when this thing was bagged back here that I need to pull out so I can reach the bolts to remove this. Also need to go ahead and take this off. So I'm going to set the camera up, I'm going to do that, I'm going to show you guys where those bolts are, and then I can show you guys how I start to do the process of drilling out these spot welds. Well, got this trim off. Now I can pull that out and get the crash bar off. Now that the deck lid's out, you can actually see how I sound deadened the trunk. I think it looks pretty good. That also brings us a problem with it being sound deadened. Now I have to find myself where the bolts are. So this might take a minute, but I'm gonna find them, and then I'll show you guys where they are. I had to break out the razor blade and cut it out, but just in the corner there's two plugs. You pop those out, your bolts are in then, and you can slide this thing out. There is a factory crash bar. Well, now that we have the crash bar off, I can start grinding off all of this stuff and expose all these spot welds. Alright, we got the wire wheel and we have glasses. Please, I'm so serious. When using wire wheels like this, please use glasses. Like, I cannot kid you enough. These things are so dangerous. I mean, these are probably more dangerous than a cutoff wheel when it comes to putting your eye out. These little things fly out like they hurt. I've done some grinding. I'm gonna do some drilling, and then when I'm done drilling out what I have done, I'm gonna start prying and then seeing what else I need to do. I know I still need to do the ones in the jams and up here, but I'm gonna get to a stopping point. I don't think I've seen these. Line. So basically, what we did was cut out the inner portion. That way we could do it piece by piece and make it a little less complicated. There's one problem, is that when I removed the quarter off of the parts car, I didn't take this off with it. So this I'm going to have to salvage. I'm going to be fixing this rust. We're definitely gonna have to be taking this piece off, cutting this, and replacing it with fresh metal, because that's unacceptable. So we'll fix that. Cut that piece off, and then I have no pictures or videos. We just kind of did it as we went. But this, it's all free now. I'll show all the different spot welds and where they are on that quarter panel, because mine is in a bunch of parts cut up in the floor. So drilling out the spot welds, we have cutting, oil, we use a Sawzall. Pretty much just went ham with it because we don't care about the quarter. If we were trying to save the quarter, it would be a different story. I would go the same route as I did with that quarter panel. I'm very, very excited. This is definitely a sight to see. There's so much grime in the floor from it all. But yeah, definitely a mess. So now that this is free, we gotta cut that, and then we'll work on it tomorrow. What do you think?
I think you've lost your mind. Pretty rough. Rough right now. Things gotta get worse before it gets better.
It does. I guess we just gotta cut that.
No, we ain't leaving until we get the new panel on. What the fuck you talking about?
Are you serious? I was about to say, because we gotta fix that. We gotta fix that rust.
Don't show, I don't care.
That's part of it.